Good morning, students. Till today, we have seen many assignments: memory drawing, design, object drawing. Today, we are starting the lettering assignment. Lettering assignment is a part of design. How to draw beautiful letters and how it will look. So, let's start lettering. First, we will take the basics and then we will do the lettering. Okay. Good morning, students. Today we are doing a lettering assignment. There are different types of letters and that can be used in the lettering. So today I will show you different type of letters. Now here I will show you I will make it dark. So see, here you can see one letter I made, A. Okay, this is a letter A. So this is like a Roman letter. Okay, there are different type of letter, but you should not do like this, but I am just showing you. Okay, this letter can be done different way also. Okay, same distance when you will keep a different type of letter you will get. Here you can see a this is broad. The same distance should be there. Okay. So why I am showing you can feel the color inside the it. Okay. If you will draw a letter like this, A, how you can feel the color in it. Okay. So when we are doing the lettering, we are writing any name. So you can feel the color inside it. So you can feel color here inside. So you should not do like this, do like this. Different way I will show. Very simple way also. This type of also you can do. Like this also you can show the A. Okay, there is no sharpness here. Round it. Okay, round. Here is the sharpness. Here is the cut. So like this you can create the words. You can make it very thin. Like this also you can do different way style. Okay. You can create your own style also. See what happened, I have now created here a different style of A letter. So like this also you can create, but the letter should be bold, means you should or you can feel the color inside it. You can make it broad. Okay, you can make it broad also, like this also. See now, means different style of letters, thick, thin, short, long. So like this, now you can see this is very thin, this is like fat, okay, this is roundness, here is a sharp cut. So one A letter has shown you in a different way, okay. Why I am showing? Because we have to write a name, any name like India, or your name like my name is Rajesh. So whichever is very simple and you can do. You have to draw a line and you have to do the lettering. Now I will show you Devanagari letters. Now these are called English letter, Roman letter. Okay. Now Devanagari means Marathi and Hindi. So now here I will show you O. Here. So the cut of the letter is like this. Here is thin, here is thick again. Okay. So here is thin, here is broad. And then you can do like this. And it has a cut like this. Okay, so this is your A word. Here is a less space, here is a maximum space. So this is a Devanagari letter, but you should not try this because this is hard. We will show you simple. Now this O can be done like this also. Very simple way, same distance, same thickness you can maintain and you can do. Very simple way, but thickness should be the same. Okay, see, so same thickness should be there, so you will be able to feel the color inside. Now many style you can use. Okay, so I think you understood this A and O. Bo I will show you. Bo. O first I will show O, then Bo. Here it will come like this. Here the thickness is, here the broad again like this. So O letter we will like this. If you want to Bo, you can do the line inside the, here will be the cross cut. This is the Devanagari letters. But this letter you can do this way also, like this also. Same measurement you can maintain and you can do it. Like this you can show. Okay, this extra part we will erase. So like this O, and either here we will erase. So this will O, and if you want to do the bow, you can do the lines. So you will be able to feel the color inside this. Okay. Now why to learn this? So you have to choose English or Devanagari, means Roman letter. Any you can take like this or like this, and then you have to write a name. For example, I have to write a name India. Okay. So draw these lines, two lines, same measurement, and the compose. So I will try here I, N, D. First I will roughly do it, I and A. Okay. Now this is the thickness. Then I will do the same thing for here. Like this, I and D, I again, and A. So I will do the details now with the dark pencil. Now see, I, N, Now from here to this point I will join. And now I will do the D, same distance. D, we will make it some broad here. D, again I for some distance, I, and now A. A. India. Now what you are seeing in this word, you can feel color inside the word India. Okay, now you can do different way coloring. The coloring is not for this period, next part coloring will be there, but here you can feel the color. So see, the letters are bold, there is a gap inside the place to feel the color. So this is your work. You can first create the words different style. Now you can, all the letters are same size, see this thickness, same thickness here. So try to maintain same thickness, then that will look the beautiful. So this is your assignment. Don't write India, whichever word you want to write you can practice, but you have to practice the letters like this. Now A words. Now for example we have to with this style we have to create a word. So this is round it here. So a small baby word can be write like this. Okay. Okay, B. Again this style I will take. Same style. A. Again I will take same like this. B. P, A, B and Y. Baby. Okay, so here you can see baby. So this is the small child. There is all the small child's toys are round shape because it should not hurt. So you can see here India and baby words. Okay, so you can practice the letters like Devanagari, Marathi or Hindi like, and English like. Okay, and you can try the letters A, B, C, D or abakada, and then think about the letters and coloring. Coloring will tell you the afterwards. Okay, thank you.